What up, man? It's your boy Young, man. I'm back with another video, man. Hey, man. You see the title, see the thumbnail. 2 cars down, man. Know what I'm saying? You see we in the Malibu today, know what I'm saying? In the tan daddy, 2-tone leather ass car. But anyway, man, you see the title, see the thumbnail. 2 cars down, man. The price of owning a lot of cars, man. And then they both go down damn near at the same time. Like, for real, like, know what I'm saying? So, this is what it is, man. Riviera. Like I said in the previous videos, CV joint clicking. That's about to get fixed. The Impala, for some reason, can't keep a charge. But we'll talk more about that, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Hey, man, all you do hit the subscribe button, man, because it don't hurt you and it don't hurt me, man. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button right now, you know what I'm saying? Because, hey, man, I'm giving y'all the content, giving y'all the real deal of what it is like really owning fucking cars and owning a lot of cars and the problems that I got to deal with, you know what I'm saying? So, like I said, I put myself through this, so that means, you know what I mean, at least if anybody else want to go through it, y'all know what to expect, man. So, yeah, like I said, man, better go ahead and take the Rivy to the shop, and today, the Impala might go to they probably going to the shop tomorrow, because I don't feel like having 2 cars in the shop. I don't feel like having 3 cars out the driveway, you know what I mean, at one time, because that's a headache. And you got 1 car at the body shop, another car, 2 cars at the shop. So I ain't about to do all that. It's too much of a headache and too much of stress for me. So let's get to it. Like, share, subscribe, man. Come on, y'all, go ahead and do that. All right, man, let's go. All right, y'all, man, this is what's going on right now as we speak, man, you know what I'm saying? All right, we're going to talk about the Impala first, man. All right. What's going on with the Impala? Yeah, man. I could drive this car every day. No problems. As soon as I let this car sit for 2 or 3 days, dead. You know what I'm saying? So, and I've been going on for a minute now. I'm going to say about a good 2 months. But, you know, I ain't never really paid attention to it. You know what I'm saying? For real. No, I just said 2 months. For real, it's been going on for like 7 months. But when the summer months came, it really wasn't an issue, because it's warm outside. You know what I'm saying? But as I started getting hard starts at first. So my dude was like, hey, man, change the spark plugs, which I did that by myself here at the house. But then I just got tired of it, like, right now, you know what I'm saying? Like, what the hell going on with this car, man? So now I'm realizing, like, something drawing on the car while the car is off. And I'm looking like, what the hell is drawing on this car, man? So, as you can see right here, I do got hooked up to a trickle charger. And, you see it's charging. The problem is it shouldn't look like this with everything lit up. It shouldn't look like this right here, man. What it should look like is what, and I can't even say, oh yeah, it should look like the Riviera over there, but I forgot to just open the door, so it kind of dropped the power down. It's gonna charge back up though, like it's charging right now, so it just went to 3 spots. But it should be green, and the only thing you should see is green solid. The problem is with this, is it raining? Hell yeah, it's raining around, god damn. Problem with this is it's been charging for 2 days now, and it's fully charged. But the problem is, if it's fully charged, the only thing it will show is the green right here. The problem is something is constantly drawing on it, which I found out it's the alternator, man. So the alternator is drawing on this car while it's off. You know what I mean? And I'm not getting enough voltage. I'm only getting like 12.5 voltage. It should be like around 14.432 when the car is running. So that's the issue with that. The Riviera CV joint, you feel me? Just come over here. wood turning light. Oh, I think it's some Chinito light. CV joints. So yeah, see this is got charged right here. Probably about a minute, so it probably go straight green. Cause I just gotta open the door so that open the lights up and turn the lights on, and that drew on the battery a little bit. So that's why that ain't supposed to be fully charged. Yeah, man. But yeah, let me go up in here right quick. I'm gonna start the Riviera up. Make sure I ain't got no wires hanging on this belt. But go ahead and just take it off, cause I'm about to drive it anyway, man. Alright. Hang this shit up right quick. Alright, that should be cool. Put that down there. Probably dark, man. You know, it's early morning, man, so could put some light on this motherfucker for real. But yeah, Impala, man. About to get that fixed, man. I'm tired of that shit. For real. Let's go open this up right quick. Start this car up. Show y'all the CV joint too, know what I'm saying? Brand new type shit. You know what I'm saying? CV joint still in the plastic. For the Revy, brand new daddy. No more clicking, no more popping, man. So I drop that off, but it's the hassle, man. I gotta take the spinner off first, cause these shops don't like messing with it, man. These shops don't like messing with the spinners, man. You come take off wheels, man. And I don't want them messing with it neither. I ain't got time for them to be over tight and shit. You know what I'm saying? Also, I ain't got time for them to be loose and shit and my spinner fly off into no man's land. You feel me? So yeah, we about to let this warm up. About to move the big dog. You know what I'm saying? And shit, get it popping, man. But hold on, matter of fact, let me go ahead. Let me go ahead and start this bitch up right quick. I don't even want to take none of these cars to the shop, man. Fuck it, man. It's what it is, dog. Gotta get it done, man. So yeah, about to move the Rango. And shit. Take the Riviera to the shop, man. YouTube, what up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419, man. I am back with the Riviera coupe. See me, we in it. Suede interior. Yeah. Operation CV joint completed, man. Know what I'm saying? Y'all take a look at this right here. Know what I'm saying? Alright, see how brand new that is? Brand new CV joint with the brand new boat. Yeah. Brand new, man. Brand new. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Like I said, I still got my old one on the right, on passenger side. I'm still on the old one. Still old. I ran the tie rod, though. Tie rod in, though. Yeah, man, I gotta throw this spinner on, you know what I'm saying? Come on, let me get y'all get a good look at this. Yeah. Still gotta throw this spinner on. Feel me? But shit, but we good to go, man. Throw this spinner on right quick. It's in the back seat. Good rocket, man. Yeah, Riviera done though. About to go ahead and put this up because it's gonna be raining later. See the cloudy skies. You about to go ahead, motherfucker. Get this Impala done tomorrow, man. So like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Join the vision game, man. Cause you gotta have that vision, man. You ain't got a vision of where you going and where you going. All right, man. See y'all, YouTubers. See y'all. Peace.